In this video, we're going to look at the border style shorthand. Basically, we already used the border style shorthand, but we did not use it efficiently, or at least we can use it efficiently with these 4 items incorporated within here. Because if you look right now at the border style, if I will comment this out, let's comment all of these out, and then put in this here, and save this and refresh the browser, you can see we have here now all the items already. Every item or every side of the border has been covered with a solid 10 pixel border line. So how can we combine all of these together here? So basically the border, how it works is, it works in a clockwise motion, meaning we will have the border here at the top, then it will target the right, and then the bottom, and then left. So how can we do this? These 4 can be incorporated into single one. Right now we incorporated this one, and the single one will be instantly activated on all sides because it assumes every side will have the same item. So if you want to get this, we need 4 values. So now I'm going to show you these 4 values. First one will be assigned for top. Second one will be assigned to the right. Third one to the bottom, and final, or the 4th item, will be on the left side. So if you want to copy all of this, basically right now it would just say this. This is right now what it says. It says here solid, 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 and one more time solid. That's what it really does. And then what we want to do now is with this border style shorthand, we can cut everything out. So if this is the top is the first one. The next one would be the right side. So the right side is here. It's for double. Put it in here. And then we have the bottom. And then we have here the bottom is the dotted side. And then finally the left side is the 4th item, which is dashed. So if we do this and just remove all of this, save this, and then if you refresh, you will see now it works exactly the same way. Let's double check if this is really accurate. I'm going to comment this out and then put this in here, save this, and refresh. And once you refresh, you can see exactly the same situation. Exactly everything is identical. So this is a very useful shorthand instead of using this specifically, but sometimes you only want to pinpoint a specific item. What we can do as well is we can do only 2 values. And what happens if you only do 2 values? You will trigger only 2 sides. Or basically what you will trigger is not only 2 sides, but it will assume the following. Top and bottom will become solid, and left and right will become double, as you can see here. And of course you have the 3rd option, which would be the final. So then you have these items here. So let's get the dotted. If we put in this here and refresh, now you can see the top will be solid, left and right will be pinpointed with a double, and finally the dotted is the bottom here. So what really happens then in this case, because we remember we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have top, top, right, bottom, and left. So if you only do 2 items, what will happen really is basically you will pinpoint top, bottom, and then next one would be left, right and left basically here, or left and right, depending on how you look at it. So then it will be, well, let's say left and right. There was more chronological order, left and right. Basically, this is the order. If you only have 2 values, then whatever is the first value, let's say here will be solid, is that. And the next one would be, if this would be double, then the double would cover the left and right, and the solid will cover the top and bottom. But if you have 3 items, what really happens is you will get the top, and then after that you will have the right and left side, and then finally you have the bottom. So this is important to know as well, so you can save your way of coding as well, because you can pinpoint 3, 2, or 1 depending on what you want here. Very useful to know as well. And this is basically the shorthand of border style, having 4 into a single line, or 4 lines converted into a single line with CSS. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.